Okay guys, these are the 4Runner Lifestyle cup holder inserts. These are designed specifically for the 5th gen 4Runner. These things always come in a pair, so you're gonna get one for the driver and for the passenger. So if you guys have been driving a 4Runner for any period of time, you know that these OEM cup holders, when you take a cup, it's just gonna stick on there, just like that. You don't often notice until you've already walked in somewhere and it's there. It's just an annoyance. These inserts fix that. As you can see with our new ABS plastic cup holders, they fit snug, and that's no longer an issue. So why on earth would you want one of these? For any of you that have had a 5th gen 4Runner, know that with the OEM cup holder, you stick it in and it just stays on. With our new design cup holders, they still fit snug, but it eliminates that problem. Seamless. So this is a pretty standard size traveling Stanley. This will also work for your hydro flasks, any other large beverage containers that you're carrying around. Nate here has driven a 4Runner longer than any of us. Nate, is this something that needs to be fixed?
Yeah, I actually haven't seen this since 2011 when I lost it. And so this is a huge game changer. Always gets stuck. I probably lost it in the gym 10 years ago.
So as you guys can see, we have a ton of color options to make your life a little bit easier in choosing which color matches right for you. Nate, which set are you taking home with you today?
Oof, I'm gonna go with this one right here, match the old silver 4Runner.
Sick. Okay, so for those of you that don't know what I'm talking about, I have my cup right here, and inside my cup holder is the OEM rubber piece. Just fits right in there. Put my cup in to go on a drive. As soon as I get my cup to leave, or to even just take it out to take a drink, you can't even get it out without it coming out with the cup. So many of you might ask, well, why don't I just take this off my cup and eliminate the problem? Let me show you. Now we have the empty cup holder. I sit my cup. I can lift it out freely, but any sort of turn in the road, I'm shifting. It just will rattle, moves all around. Overall, it's just uncomfortable. Now, let me show you what happens when we put our new 4Runner Lifestyle inserts in. We'll set our insert in, goes in, no more absurd rattling, and when I take the drink out to get a drink or to leave my vehicle, lift straight out, straight back in, straight out, guaranteed 100% of the time. Here in the back seat, same problem. So additionally, at checkout, you'll have the option to choose a set of 4 to cover your backseat cup holders. You can pick up a set for yourself right now on 4runnerlifestyle.com.